Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the simplest design, plain fabric. As I told, it is the simplest width. The thread is interlaced in alternative order to form a balanced fabric, as the warp yarn is same to the weft yarn. It has a firm construction. Compared with other widths, it is less easier to recover it. Now I will show you how to draw a plain width. First, for the plain fabric, one warp yarn to interlace with one weft yarn, and the black represents the warp is on the face, and the white boxes represent the weft is on the face. And for a plain fabric, the size is 2 × 2 to finish one width. So it is 1 up, 1 down, so 1 up, 1 down, and then it will move up, and then 1 down, 1 up. This photo can show you the effect on the fabric. You can see the warp is up, and then down, and then up, and then down. Now I will talk about the development of plain. First one is the matte width. The appearance is like the plain design. It's combined by square. They have two types of mat. The first one is regular basket, and the second one is irregular mat. Now I will talk about the regular mat first. It's also called basket. The appearance is like the plain design, which have a larger scale of the square. For example, 2 × 2 basket. You can see the size of square is 2 × 2 for the face of warp yarn, and second one is 2 × 2 for the weft yarn on the face, and then 2 down, 2 × 2 down, and 2 × 2 up. For the 3 × 3 baskets, it's just the scale larger to have a 3 × 3 square. And you can see 4 square have the same size, and this is 4 × 4 baskets. You can see it's just a larger scale on the square, but the appearance is very similar. Now I will talk about the irregular mat. It's combined by different sizes of square. You can see they have 2 different sizes of square. For example, 4 × 2 irregular mat, we have a 4 × 4 square plus a 2 × 2 square. You can see the weft width is not square this time. It is a rectangle because it is a irregular mat. For another example is 6 × 3 irregular mat. You can have a 6 × 6 square plus a 3 × 3 square to finish a irregular mat. Now I will talk another example of development. It's called whip. It has 2 types. First is the weft whip. The ratio of warp to weft is different. It has more warp yarn. It is warp yarn, and it has an effect of vertical line. As they have more warp yarn, so there more warp yarn on the face. You can see 2 + 1. More warp yarn here. Now I will talk about the regular weft width. The size of each width are the same. For example, 2 up, 2 down weft width. You see 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. You can see the width have a same length, 2, 2, 2, 2. And for the 3 up, 3 down weft width, just longer the size, 3, 3, 3, 3, and they're very similar. This photo, you can see the web width with regular and the fabric. Now I will show you the irregular web width. The size of each width are different. For example, 2 up, 1 down web width. You can see 2 up. Now it's not 2 down, it's 1, 2 up, 1. To form a width, so 2 down, 1 up, 2 down, 1 up. You can see the length of the width is different. It's 2, 1, 2, 1. One is shorter and have a longer width here. For the 4 up, 2 down web width, you see 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down. You see a longer yarn and a shorter yarn, so it is irregular. And you can see the effect on the fabric in this photo. Now I will talk about the warp width. The ratio of warp to weft is different. It will insert more weft yarn. You can see it is weft yarn, 2 weft yarn, to a 1 warp yarn here. And then you have a horizontal line effect. Now I will talk about the regular warp width first. The size of each width are the same. For example, 2 and 2 up, 2 down warp width, 2 up, 2 down, 2 down, 2 up. You can see the length of the width are the same, 2, 2, 2, 2. For the larger design, 3 up, 3 down warp width, you can see the width is longer but very similar, just 3 up, 3 down, 3 down, 3 up. You can see the length is longer, 3, 3, 3, 3. And for the 4 and 4 up, 4 down warp width, you can see 4 up, 4 down, 4 down, 4 up. It's formed a 4, 4, 4 width. This photo, you can see the warp width with regular in the fabric. Now I will talk about the irregular warp width. The size of each width are different. For example, 4 up, 2 down warp width. You see it's longer and shorter. 4 up, and then this time will not fall down. It's only 2 down, and then 4 down, and then 2 up to form a width. You can see they have different length on the width. A longer width here, 4, and then 2. And this is a photo and the appearance of warp width in the fabric. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.